Hello, my dear students of class 8. I am Lalit Kumar Pathak. This is your computer class. I am going to explain about the topic Adobe Photoshop CC of chapter 4. In previous classes, I had explained about the introduction of Photoshop, components of Photoshop, versions of Photoshop, and how you can install what are the uses of Photoshop and how you can install Photoshop in your computer. Today I am going to explain the features of Adobe Photoshop over Photoshop. That means, as you know, Photoshop has many versions. It was published in 1988 by the Adobe system for photo editing applications, and from 1988 to 2020 it has been changed many versions and added many features to the Photoshop. The primary version is Adobe Photoshop to Adobe CS, and the new version of Photoshop is Adobe Photoshop CC. CS stands for Creative Suite, while CC stands for Creative Cloud. And there are so many lots of difference of Photoshop CC from the earlier versions. So let us understand the difference between Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Photoshop CC. Adobe Photoshop is the most fundamental photo editing software used for beginners or simple editing with basic features. But Adobe Photoshop CC is an upgraded version of Photoshop with improved and new characteristics. At present, Adobe Photoshop is no longer available in the market. But if you have Photoshop in your computer, if you have installed previously, then you can use it. But if you want to purchase the older version of Photoshop, it will be not available. It was not available over the internet. If you want to use Photoshop, then you can use Adobe Photoshop CC only, and it is in demand. It is used by all the editors, artists, and even students. As you know, Adobe Photoshop comes with many versions and many changes. The last version of Adobe Photoshop was Adobe Photoshop CS6, and after Adobe Photoshop CS6 it comes with the new versions and brand Adobe Photoshop CC. CS stands for Creative Suite, while CC stands for Creative Cloud. And the latest version of Adobe Photoshop CC is Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. It is the 20th version of Photoshop. So let us understand some characteristics of Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop have some basic tools like crop tool, move tool, quick selection tool, eraser tool, pencil tool, etc. for simple editing. While Adobe Photoshop is have more upgraded and varieties of tools like intelligent upsampling, that is called camera shake reductions, and an updated version of Camera Raw for the editing raw images. In Adobe Photoshop, only one shadow style can be used for a layer, while in Adobe Photoshop CC offers a different shadow style for a layer. In Adobe Photoshop in Adobe Photoshop, freeform pen selection tools are there by which the user can draw path freehand, while Adobe Photoshop CC includes curvature pen tool like an Illustrator that allowed a much rapid formation of Bezier path. Photoshop supports basic brush tool that paint a brush stroke, while Adobe Photoshop CC supports over thousands of brushes and brush strokes smoothly. Adobe Photoshop introduced the concept of a smart object, but in Adobe Photoshop CC linked a smart objects, 3D printings, preservative wrap, and some of the new attributes added. Now come to the last, that is availability. As you know, Photoshop is no longer available over the internet, but if you want to use Photoshop, you have to use Photoshop CC, and it is based on subscription basis with a monthly year or yearly fee and cancellations fee as well. So that's all for the today about the Photoshop and Photoshop CC. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.